Hi, everybody. It's Professor Levi Allen, and I am so excited you are here with me. I wanted to make this video to give you a little bit of a sense of how I teach. I am teaching art history and art appreciation courses, and I want you to feel comfortable and know more about my teaching philosophy. So how do I approach art history? I think it's boring to just look at dates and names and kind of a laundry list of images. I really think art's personal. It is the story of our people as humans. It's our humanity. We have an innate desire to draw, to express ourselves, and to create shapes and forms. And art history is really looking at that. So I want things to be experiential. I want you to play with shapes and forms. I want you to create in different ways, whatever that creation means for you. So I have some samples up here, and I provide lots of samples in my classes of ways in which we're going to play with art so it really connects with you and you can see these overarching themes of why humans desire to create and what does it say about our culture. After you talk about culture, it's what do I expect then in the classroom? So in an in-person or a mixed mode class, you're going to have interactive lectures. I'm going to talk for a very short amount of time, and then we're going to play and experiment together. We're going to do some discussions and kind of explore that way. In an online classroom, you're going to have modules, and the modules are my lectures, and they are, again, interactive. There's videos, there's text, there's a way to manipulate media, so you can draw that connection. Every class has a type of creative project because I really think by doing is how you learn. Please don't be scared. That does not mean you need to be an artist. It just means you need to be willing to think outside the box. Draw some connections, look at the world in a new way, find different things in your world that relates to what we're studying. I also have really thoughtful discussions with students. We use a discussion board or in classroom times. And yes, there is always extra credit. I really pride myself on offering a number of extra credit opportunities in class. And so the first extra credit opportunity will be right now. If you email me the same week that this module is live in your class, so that first week of class, just email me with what you're excited about, what you are looking forward to learning this term. I would love to get to know you just a little bit better. So send that to me and you'll get a bonus point on your first quiz or test. So again, I am really excited for you to be here, and I wanted to offer you just a little bit of encouragement before we leave. So I know college can be really overwhelming. There's a lot of moving parts in everybody's life. You have jobs, you might have family obligations, you have all kinds of things coming at you. You might be figuring it out for the first time or the 50th time. There's a lot of different things in college that will be there to kind of stress you, but I really do want to help. I want to have a conversation with you. Please reach out. My office hours are listed in your syllabus, and I am always here to talk. We can talk via Zoom or in person or on the phone. You can send me emails. I always respond within 24 hours, Monday through Friday. I really want to help you succeed. I want to know what excites you and what encourages you and what you're facing this semester. So don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to help. I'm super excited again for this class. I can't wait to see what we create together. Don't forget to email me that extra credit for that bonus point. And I'm really looking forward to starting this term with you.